6 ways to concentrate for long hours in studies. Concentrate, concentrate, concentrate. Mom, dad, teachers, elders, neighbors, seniors, even you yourself, everyone talks about it. But no one tells us how to concentrate. Kare to kya kare? Is this your story? Well, worry not. Today I am sharing 6 topmost ways to concentrate like a pro and achieve your desired results in your studies. And all these are not some bookish or Googlish solutions, by the way. These are tried and tested on thousands of my students, and then I am suggesting you all today. Hi, I am Kimii Shah, a memory trainer, coach, and study expert at Growth Vidyapeeth. Since 2010, I have been training students from first standard to post-graduation. Today, we are going to discuss how you can concentrate on studies effortlessly, how you can score more marks, and enjoy your studies. The first way to improve your concentration levels is candle gazing method. It is an age-old yoga practice. You just have to lit a candle and you constantly keep on watching the tip of the flame. Just do this for 5 minutes and you will observe that slowly all your thoughts, distractions automatically fade away. Yes, and once you are done with the concentration on the flame, you are ready to concentrate in your studies. The second way and the most popular ways is meditation. What happens in meditation is you go into relaxation mode or focus mode, which helps you to concentrate better. You can also play some light music in the background. We have also given a link below to our meditation, which is done by many of our students. You can also watch it for your reference. Just do it for 5 minutes and you will be all set to concentrate in your books. Third way to concentrate is my favorite way, the musical way. Normally when we try to concentrate, it is like you are fighting thousands of soldiers around you. There are so many noises and voices coming from all across. But suppose you just had to deal with one soldier at a time, how would it be then? The same is with my music therapy. When you have too much of sound coming around or too many thoughts coming in your mind, what you can do is you can play up some music in your mind so that it eradicates all the other sounds and noises and you just have to deal with the music. But keep in mind, the music should be loud and your headphones should be on. Also, the music should be a upbeat music and not something that helps you to doze off to sleep. Also, refrain from playing your favorite music or some lyrical music because that can get you more carried away into it. Fourth way to improve your concentration for studies is to learn to channelize your energy. Lots of kids come to me who are like bouncing balls. Parents also tell me, my kid is very hyper. He simply can't sit in one place and study. So my answer to them is, if someone is like a bouncing ball, how can you think that they will be able to sit in one place? It's not possible. You are asking them to do something that is not their cup of tea at all. What they must do? Why are they hyper? It is because they have excessive energy, so the extra energy needs channelizing. So you need to learn to channelize your excessive energy, then you can automatically concentrate in your books. How to do that? Well, some of the ways are not to sit and study. You have to walk and read and walk and study. And if that doesn't help, then you may also read loudly. How does that help? It involves more senses. You are reading, at the same time speaking, and also listening and walking. The more activities you do, the excess energy gets automatically channelized and your concentration is back in place. One more powerful tool for concentration is nothing but completion. It is an underrated word, but it is the most effective thing and the most important thing. We don't have our mind in switch on and switch off mode. It continuously goes on working and working. That's why it is important for us to complete. You might have noticed whenever you sit to study, you get so many thoughts, so much irritation. Sometimes you feel hungry or you remember something important in the middle of the thing and you go out to complete that pending work. Why is that happening? It is because you are not completing the things. Whenever a thing is completed, it stops bothering us. It is like putting a full stop to the sentence. Once the sentence has the full stop, it is complete, so it does not continue in your mind. In fact, I would like to tell you about one childhood incident. When I was small, I used to often come back from school and throw my shoes in one end and other. And when I used to go to do my homework, all the thoughts used to come in my mind. Oh my God, my mom will come and she will shout at me because I did not keep the shoes in the place. What if she tells me like this? What if she does that? And whether my mom will tell me something or not is a secondary thing, but these thoughts used to consume so much of my time, and half an hour, 1 hour just went away like this. So, my recommendation to you is to first complete the things and then sit for studies. Second thing I would like to add, whenever you are studying, for example, you are studying geography, you suddenly get a thought, Arey yaar, history reh gaya. Arey, that science test is coming, I completely forgot about it. And you stop doing geography and you jump on history. And in half an hour, you are again looking at science. At the end, you end up feeling like, oh my God, I could not complete anything. And this is going to hamper you all the very more. Whatever you're doing, do one thing at a time. You can go in ascending order, take the easiest chapter first. Once that is complete, you will feel more confident. Okay, now I can do more things. So next time, take a bit difficult subject than the previous one. After that, more difficult and more difficult. And like this, you can go on increasing your capacity and your capacity to concentrate in your studies too. One amazing way to boost your concentration magically is to become that curious child you once were. Remember when you were just 3-4 years of old? You used to look at everything with curious eyes. And in just 3-4 years, you not only learned your mother tongue, but also the language of the TV, also the language of the neighbors. How is it possible? It is because of that one quality you had, that is curiosity. The more we are going into studies, we are all constantly thinking, oh, I need to score, oh, I need to understand, oh, what if I don't get 90%? And all this is clouding your urge to learn, to grow, to know more. So next time when you're sitting with your book, do not think, oh, I need to remember this, oh, I need to understand this is important answer that is going to come in the exam. Instead, just ask yourself what this paragraph wants to tell me. How is it going to grow me? Oh my God, I got to know something new today. Try all these ways of concentrating in your studies and let me know which is your favorite method in the comments below. Also, if you want me to come up with some other topic which may be of concern for you, do let me know in the comments below. Share, subscribe to the channel, and until we meet next, happy studying.